Hi, I'm back, and as you can see, I brought a little guy home with me. I've been looking for a rubber plant for a while now. I've been searching them on Shopee and stuff. I wanted to get them from Shopee, which is like online, but I found them from the market this morning, so I had to get it. It's so cute. I heard that this kind of plant is suitable to keep them in your bedroom because they purify the air and stuff like that. So I got this. I mean, it already looks really like aesthetically pleasing just by sitting here next to my bed. But recently I got this thing from Taobao for like less than 20 ringgit to decorate my room with it. So no! This definitely does not look aesthetically pleasing, but I'm just showing you the potential of this plant. I'm gonna repot them with a taller pot and split the plant in half because my mom wanted to put some of it in the living room, so I'm gonna do that in the future, but not now. I did not find much cute stuff from the stall today. I think it depends on your luck. Sometimes I find like really like unique stuff there, but today I only bought 3 things, which I kind of have in mind how I'm gonna alter them a little bit to make them fit a little bit better and also more trendier. So that's what this video is gonna be. Because initially I thought that this is gonna be like a thrift with me or a thrift haul, but I end up only finding 3 things, which is these 3 things, and there's something that I want to fix about them. So okay, maybe it's not like a thrift flip, but more of a thrift fix. So yeah. So the first thing that I got is this collared top. Yeah, it just looks like this. I'm gonna insert like a try-on clip. This is the only top that I won't be doing anything to it because I like them the way they are. They have buttons all the way throughout the bottom, which I can wear as a cardigan when I want it to be, but I think I'm just gonna wear it as a top. And I really like the contrasting pattern of the top. Like, they have different design of the knit on it, which is really unique and cool. And my favorite part about this top is actually the buttons. They are the main reason why I got this top. I just think they look really cool. Like, I won't find anything like them in the store. So yeah. Next, I found this green top that's made out of this rib material. So they are very stretchy and I like rib tops. And if you know me, you know that I like cropping tops like this into crop tops and adding lettuce hem at the bottom, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing to this top because I really like how lettuce hem looks on rib material. And I have noticed that the neon green top has become like a trend recently, so because I can't wear neon, I think they look really weird on me, so I got this green top instead. They are like this muted neon green color, which is more wearable for me. So yeah. This is the best lettuce hem that I've ever sewn so far, and yeah, I really like how it looks. So I'm gonna straight stitch this part and this side down so that it creates like a loop, and we'll have to turn them inside out after we are done. And lastly, I got this really pretty long sleeve cardigan which has this knitted ruffle detailing. I don't dare to hold them up because I know that it's gonna mess up the autofocus, but here it is. Yeah, so I already have like a vision of how I'm gonna be altering this top. So I'm gonna be turning it into a short sleeve top, and I noticed that they have this loop inside of the cardigan, so I think it should be really easy for me to just lace the top up and turning it into a cute top. I really like that look where it's just wearing a cardigan as a top, so that's what I'm gonna be doing to this top. And instead of having the long sleeve, it's not that long actually, it's like quarter sleeve, so I don't really like sleeves. They're like, so I'm gonna be turning them into short sleeve and we'll see how it goes.